Treaty of Versailles. Good morning, my model tutor and all my friends. In this charming morning, I will be talking about Treaty of Versailles. Basically, I will be stressing on how, why, where, terms, members and implications of the treaty. Let me start with short background. World War I started in 1914 with several internal and external reasons. Countries like Germany, France, Britain, USA and Italy and so on were actively participated in the war. Common people were totally destroyed and economic disability occurs. In order to regain those destroyed things, both elite and Axis power decided to sign a treaty called Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles was signed on June 28, 1919, which formally ending World War I in the Hall of Mirrors in the Palaces of Versailles, Paris, France. The main aim of this treaty was to let Germany surrender colonies, territories and some small nations that he had captured during the war. The main terms of the treaty were: number 1, surrender of all German colonies as League of Nations mandates. Number 2, return of Alsace-Lorraine to France, Malibiti to Belgium and Holstein district to Czechoslovakia. Number 3, Danzig to become free city. Number 4, limitation to Germany's army to 1 million men from 3 million, with no conscription, no tanks, no heavy artillery, no poison gas supplies, no aircraftmen and no airships. Number 5, the limitations of the German Navy to vessels under 100,000 tons with no submarines. Implications of the Treaty of Versailles. Number 1, the most important implications was that due to the unfair treaty signed, it caused Second World War. Number 2, no one was happy in Germany with the settlement and allies threatened the Germans and blamed German citizens for starting the war. So they felt humiliated to accept huge blame. Number 3, the Treaty of Versailles caused problems in the future because it treated Germany in very harsh manner. In addition, treaty weakened the German economy, leading economic problems and also angered the Germans. Number 4, long-term effects of the Treaty of Versailles is that it laid the groundwork for distrust between Germany and other nations that ultimately led Second World War. Now, to sum up the video, yes, treaty left many countries unsatisfied and with revenge such as Germany and Italy. This would ultimately set the stage for dangerous leaders in future. In addition, it made the allies unhappy because they believed Germany deserved harsh punishment. Thank you.